Traveling light can be a real game changer, especially when you master the art of packing a carry-on efficiently. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential steps to maximize space, minimize stress, and ensure you have everything you need for your journey. Whether you're heading out for a weekend getaway or a week-long adventure, these tips will help you breeze through airport security and avoid the hassle of checked bags. Let's dive into the world of smart packing and discover how a little planning can make your travels smoother and more enjoyable. Before you even start packing, it's crucial to check your airline's carry-on size and weight restrictions. Each airline has its own guidelines, and exceeding them can lead to extra fees or forced gate checking. Take a moment to visit your airline's website or app and note the maximum dimensions and weight allowed. This simple step ensures you select the right bag and avoid last-minute surprises at the airport. Being informed helps you pack confidently and keeps your travel experience stress-free from the very beginning. Selecting the right carry-on bag is the foundation of efficient packing. Look for a lightweight, durable suitcase or backpack that fits within your airline's size limits. Features like multiple compartments, sturdy zippers, and smooth rolling wheels can make a big difference. Consider your travel style. Do you prefer a hard shell for protection or a soft bag for flexibility? The right bag not only keeps your belongings organized, but also makes navigating airports and hotels much easier. A well-thought-out packing list is your secret weapon for efficient travel. Start by listing essentials like clothing, toiletries, electronics, and travel documents. Think about your destination's weather, planned activities, and any special events. By organizing your needs on paper or a digital app, you can avoid overpacking and ensure nothing important gets left behind. This step also helps you visualize what you truly need, making it easier to prioritize and streamline your packing process. Before you start putting items into your carry-on, lay everything out on your bed or a large surface. This visual overview lets you see exactly what you plan to bring and helps you spot unnecessary duplicates or bulky items. It's much easier to edit your choices and make substitutions when everything is visible. This step also gives you a chance to double-check your packing list and ensure you haven't forgotten any essentials. When space is limited, every piece of clothing should earn its spot. Choose versatile items that can be mixed and matched to create multiple outfits. Neutral colors, lightweight fabrics, and wrinkle-resistant materials are your best friends. Think about layering options and select clothes that work for both day and night. Packing versatile clothing not only saves space, but also gives you more flexibility during your trip. Shoes can quickly eat up valuable space in your carry-on. Limit yourself to 2 or 3 pairs, one comfortable pair for walking, one dressier option if needed, and perhaps sandals or flip-flops for leisure. Wear your bulkiest shoes while traveling to save room in your bag. Place shoes at the bottom of your suitcase, and use shoe bags or shower caps to keep them separate from your clothes. Rolling your clothes instead of folding them is a classic space-saving trick. Rolled clothes take up less space and are less likely to wrinkle. Start with heavier items like jeans and sweaters, then roll lighter pieces such as t-shirts and dresses. Arrange the rolls tightly in your suitcase, filling every available gap. This method not only maximizes space, but also makes it easier to see what you've packed at a glance. Packing cubes are a traveler's best friend when it comes to organization. These lightweight fabric containers help you separate clothes by type or outfit, making it easy to find what you need without unpacking your entire bag. Packing cubes also compress your clothes, saving even more space. Choose different colors or sizes for tops, bottoms, and underwear, and stack them neatly in your carry-on for a tidy, stress-free packing experience. Don't let any space go to waste. Tuck socks, underwear, and small accessories into shoes or corners of your bag. Use every nook and cranny to maximize capacity. Small items can also be placed inside hats or zipped into side pockets. By filling dead space, you'll be surprised at how much more you can fit without overstuffing your carry-on. Toiletries can be tricky due to liquid restrictions and the risk of leaks. Use travel-sized bottles and pack only what you'll need for the trip. Place all liquids in a clear, resealable bag to comply with airport security rules. Solid toiletries like bar soap or shampoo bars are great alternatives. Keep your toiletry bag easily accessible for quick removal during security checks. Electronics and their chargers can quickly become a tangled mess. Use a dedicated pouch or organizer for your devices, cords, and adapters. Wrap cables neatly and secure them with twist ties or cable organizers. Place your electronics near the top of your bag for easy access during security checks. Keeping everything organized not only saves time, but also protects your valuable gadgets from damage. Always keep your passport, boarding pass, travel insurance, and other important documents in a secure, easily accessible spot. Use a travel wallet or document organizer to keep everything together. Consider making digital copies of your documents and storing them on your phone or in the cloud for backup. Having your paperwork organized ensures a smooth journey through airports and border controls. Airport security can be stressful if you're not prepared. Place items you'll need to remove like electronics and liquids at the top of your bag, wear slip-on shoes, and avoid belts or jewelry that may set off alarms. Keep your boarding pass and ID handy. Planning ahead for security checks helps you move through lines quickly and with less hassle. If you plan to shop or bring back souvenirs, leave a little extra space in your carry-on. You can also pack a lightweight, foldable tote bag for overflow items. Planning ahead means you won't have to struggle with an overstuffed suitcase on your return journey. It's always nice to have a bit of flexibility for unexpected finds. Before heading to the airport, weigh your carry-on to ensure it meets airline requirements. Use a portable luggage scale or a bathroom scale at home. If you're close to the limit, consider removing heavy items or wearing them instead. Knowing your bag's weight in advance prevents stressful surprises at check-in and helps you avoid extra fees. Pack items you'll need during your journey like snacks, a water bottle, headphones, or a book at the top or in an outer pocket of your carry-on. This way, you won't have to dig through your bag in the middle of the airport or on the plane. Keeping essentials handy makes your travel experience more comfortable and convenient. Think about the weather at your destination and any activities you have planned. Pack a compact umbrella or a lightweight rain jacket if rain is likely. For outdoor adventures, include appropriate gear like a hat or swimwear. Being prepared for the conditions ensures you're comfortable and ready for anything your trip throws your way. If your trip is longer, consider packing a small packet of laundry detergent or a stain remover pen. This allows you to wash clothes in your hotel, sink, and rewear items, reducing the amount you need to pack. A travel clothesline or a few clothespins can also come in handy. This simple trick is a lifesaver for extended trips or unexpected spills. A small first aid kit with band-aids, pain relievers, and any prescription medications is always a smart addition. Keep it in an easily accessible spot in your carry-on. This way, you're prepared for minor injuries or headaches without having to search for a pharmacy in an unfamiliar place. Staying hydrated is important while traveling. Bring an empty, reusable water bottle through security and fill it up at a water fountain or cafe. This saves money, reduces plastic waste, and ensures you always have water on hand during your journey. Airport food can be expensive and limited. Pack a few healthy snacks like nuts, granola bars, or dried fruit in your carry-on. These will keep you energized and satisfied during delays or long flights. Just remember to check for any restrictions on bringing food into your destination country. Long flights and layovers can get boring. Pack a book, magazine, or download movies and music onto your devices before you leave. Noise-canceling headphones or a travel pillow can also make your journey more enjoyable. Having entertainment options ensures you stay relaxed and occupied throughout your trip. Zipper bags are incredibly useful for organizing small items like chargers, toiletries, or snacks. They keep things separated, easy to find, and protect against leaks or spills. Use clear bags so you can quickly see what's inside. This simple trick keeps your carry-on neat and hassle-free. Keep valuables like jewelry, cash, and electronics in your carry-on, never in checked luggage. Use a small lock or hidden pouch for extra security. Always keep your bag within sight, especially in crowded areas. Taking these precautions helps protect your belongings and gives you peace of mind while traveling. Travel can be tiring, so pack a few comfort items like a neck pillow, eye mask, or cozy socks. These small additions can make a big difference on long flights or layovers. Choose compact, lightweight options that won't take up much space in your carry-on. What you wear on travel day matters. Dress in layers for changing temperatures and choose comfortable, practical clothing. Wear your bulkiest items like a jacket or boots to save space in your carry-on. This strategy keeps you comfortable and maximizes the room in your bag for other essentials. Always pack at least one change of clothes in your carry-on, especially for long trips or if you're checking other bags. This ensures you have fresh clothes in case of delays, spills, or lost luggage. Choose lightweight, versatile pieces that can be layered or mixed with your other outfits. Compression bags are a great way to save space, especially for bulky items like jackets or sweaters. Simply place your clothes inside, seal the bag, and squeeze out the air. This reduces the volume of your items and creates more room in your carry-on. Just be mindful of weight limits, as it's easy to overpack when using compression bags. Bring a small, lightweight laundry bag to separate dirty clothes from clean ones. This keeps your carry-on organized and makes unpacking easier when you arrive at your destination. A simple drawstring bag or even a large zipper bag works well for this purpose. Before zipping up your bag, double-check for any prohibited items like sharp objects, large liquids, or restricted electronics. Review your airline's list of banned items to avoid delays or confiscations at security. Being thorough now saves time and stress later. Outer pockets are perfect for items you'll need quickly, like your boarding pass, phone, or a snack. Don't overload them, as bulky pockets can make your bag harder to fit in overhead bins. Use these spaces for slim, essential items only. Always label your carry-on with your name and contact information. Use a sturdy luggage tag and consider adding a unique identifier like a ribbon or sticker. This makes it easy to spot your bag and helps recover it quickly if it's misplaced. Once you've packed, test your bag by lifting it and walking around. Make sure it's comfortable to carry and not too heavy. Check that zippers close easily and nothing is bulging out. If it feels awkward or overloaded, remove a few items and repack for balance and comfort. Travel plans can change unexpectedly, so stay flexible with your packing. Be ready to adjust your items if your itinerary shifts or if you pick up new things along the way. A little flexibility ensures you're prepared for whatever your journey brings. Developing a consistent packing routine makes the process faster and less stressful each time you travel. Stick to your list, use the same organizational tools, and refine your approach with each trip. Over time, you'll find what works best for you, and packing will become second nature. If you're struggling to fit everything or unsure about what to bring, don't hesitate to ask a friend or family member for advice. Sometimes, a second opinion can help you make tough decisions and avoid overpacking. Sharing tips and experiences can also make packing more enjoyable. Packing doesn't have to be stressful. Take your time, stay organized, and remember that you can always buy small items at your destination if needed. Enjoy the excitement of preparing for your trip and look forward to the adventures ahead. A calm approach leads to better packing and a more enjoyable journey. Before you zip up your carry-on, do a final review. Double-check your packing list, ensure all essentials are included, and confirm that your bag closes easily. Make sure you have your documents, electronics, and comfort items within easy reach. This last step gives you peace of mind and sets you up for a smooth travel day. Packing efficiency is all about maximizing the use of limited space while ensuring you have everything you need for your trip. It involves strategic planning, smart organization, and thoughtful selection of items. By focusing on efficiency, you can travel lighter, move faster, and enjoy your journey with less stress and more freedom. Minimalism in travel means bringing only what you truly need and letting go of excess. This approach not only lightens your load, but also simplifies decision-making and reduces travel stress. By embracing minimalism, you focus on experiences rather than possessions, making your journey more meaningful and enjoyable. Versatility is key when packing a carry-on. Choose items that serve multiple purposes, like a scarf that doubles as a blanket, or shoes that work for both casual and formal occasions. Versatile packing means you're prepared for a variety of situations without overloading your bag. Using organization tools like packing cubes, zipper bags, and tech pouches can transform your packing experience. These tools help you separate, compress, and protect your belongings, making it easier to find what you need and keep your carry-on tidy throughout your trip. Security and safety are essential when packing a carry-on. Keep valuables close, follow airline regulations, and use locks or hidden pouches for extra protection. Being mindful of security helps you travel with confidence and protects your belongings from loss or theft. With these tips and strategies, you're now ready to pack your carry-on like a pro. Efficient packing saves time, reduces stress, and lets you focus on enjoying your journey. Remember, the key is to plan ahead, stay organized, and pack only what you need. Safe travels and happy adventures.